थोड़ा ऊपर गए तो यू विल सी दैट झरना आएगा. I'll show you which one. This one. तो जब मैं वो ब्रिज क्रॉस करके ऑन द अदर एंड देयर वर लाइक अ कपल एंड कपल्स वर लाइक वो कपल लुक्ड एट मी एंड लाइक भाई तू तो मोटा है, व्हाई आर यू गोइंग, लाइक वी जस्ट वेंट एंड वी कुडंट डू इट. तो आज का प्लान क्या है बोले तो सो वी केम yesterday actually, like I told you. Today's plan is that it's like I told you, it's 6:15, 6:20 right now. We're gonna go down for some breakfast, have some breakfast, come back up, get ready and leave for the Kheer Ganga trek. So I'm excited about it. Let's see how that goes. Kal we were asking a couple of people and they were like, it's basically अभी June and July का मौसम है, so that means monsoon season. तो बारिश के वजह से the trails and everything, they're getting washed out and a lot of people have returned back or something. So we don't know what it's going to be like, but after having breakfast I think taking an early start to the trek would be helpful, and then we are just gonna come back, go to the summit of Kheer Ganga hopefully, and I'll show you guys what I see over there. शुरू हो गया ट्रैक खीर गंगा का. वी टुक दीज 30 रुपीज़ के नीचे से all the way from back there. 30 rupees rent. You guys probably can't see and I can't go over there and show you. Don't have the strength. अभी बहुत ऊपर जाने का है. Yeah, if I survive, I'll vlog at the top of Kheer Ganga. And अब वो ब्रिज पार करना है. ऑलमोस्ट हाफ वे हो गया, बट लुक एट दैट क्रेजी. रास्ते में हम जब जा रहे थे पूरे लोग आप बोल रहे थे तू नहीं कर सकता, तू मोटा है, नहीं कर सकता बोल के 2 लोग अभी तक बोल दिए. आई डोंट नो इफ आई बी एबल टू गो ऑन द टॉप, बट हाँ अभिजीत बहुत मोटिवेट करा. बट या लेट्स सी, होपफुली आई कैन मेक इट टू द टॉप और एल्स you'll see in the vlog. 3 kilometers more to Kheer Ganga.
व्यू पॉइंट डालते हैं हमेशा, रास्ता कोई नहीं डालता.
भैया आपका नाम क्या बताया आप?
मेरा केसर राजपूत.
केसर राजपूत सर. राइट.
The man behind it all.
हाँ, the man behind it all. So this is our tent at Kheer Ganga. अभी अंधेरा हो चुका है, but I think you guys can see how it is. Freaking amazing. है. बाहर जा. Crazy sense. Oh, look at that peak. Nice. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning. अभी उठे हैं हम. Currently in the tent. Let me show you guys the view. Heating तो कुछ भी नहीं थी, तो it was bad, but I'll show you guys the view from the tent, okay? Just chilling in the tent, looking at the view. It's absolutely amazing. So we have officially left. ऐसे आपको बीच में झरने दिखेंगे where you can fill your water and stuff. Crossings ऐसे रहते हैं. Nice. बहुत नीचे जाना है, but yeah, I mean खीर गंगा हो गया bro. Finally, we're going back down right now. And yeah, I think I'll end the vlog once I'm down, and I'll meet you guys at the end. On our way down, look at that, beautiful. It goes all the way down there, and what you see, that's the bridge, right? So from the bridge, instead of going from the bridge, left low, come over here, and you gotta look at this. Damn! Finally back to the hotel room. Feels so good. In Tosh, the Khirganga trek. What can I say? It was so many things. Acha tha. It was fun. But yeah, beach mein I was like, I won't be doing it and stuff like that because nahi kar pa raha tha main. Like my quads started to become rigid. I couldn't like चल ही नहीं पा रहा था मैं. And incline तो इतना है. I'm telling you guys, it's a lot. So I mean, yeah, if you're not fit, you should better get fit before you come to this trek, or else be ready for a hell of a ride. And one thing is for sure कि mentally prepared रहना पड़ेगा if you want to summit, because if you're not mentally prepared, then you can't. मैं भी छोड़ दे रहा था. I was like, I want to go back, I can't do it because it's एक गलती करो and you're dead. It's not even like you'll fall down, break something. One mistake and you are dead. क्योंकि लेफ्ट साइड पे पूरी खाई है. द रॉक्स आर स्लिपरी. फिर कभी कभी बीच में झरने दिख जाते एंड उसकी वजह से भी और स्लिपरी हो जाता. फिर यू नो मेरे शू का सोल निकल गया, तो फिर मैं वैसे ही ऊपर गया और नीचे आया विदाउट अ सोल ऑन माई लेफ्ट शू. वेरी स्केरी, बट या. एंड ऑब्वियसली लाइक मैं ज़िंदगी में कभी इतना नहीं चला, एंड 2 days में मेरे को इतना चला दिया. इट वॉज वाओ. या आई एम जस्ट बैक. एक और चीज़ क्या हुआ, तो थोड़ा ऊपर गए तो यू विल सी दैट यू नो एक छोटा सा एक झरना आएगा. आई शो यू विच वन, दिस वन. तो जब मैं वो ब्रिज क्रॉस करा, ब्रिज क्रॉस करके ऑन द अदर एंड देयर वर लाइक अ कपल, एंड कपल्स वर लाइक, वो कपल लुक्ड एट मी एंड लाइक, भाई तू तो मोटा है, व्हाई आर यू गोइंग? Like we just went and we couldn't do it, and we've returned. Like you cannot do it. Don't go. Like they were warning me against going on the Khirganga trek, and I only realized later why they were, because it was. I mean, it was bad. It was bad. I will end the vlog here for Khirganga trek. I'll probably post another video about what you need to do if you're going on the Khirganga trek, like preparation types. But yeah, cool. Energy down is so trying to end it on a high note. Thank you for watching, guys. I will catch you all in the next video. Tomorrow the next video is going to be about Spiti basically. So आज we are back in Tosh, right? So Tosh से हम निकलने वाले हैं and Spiti को जाने वाले हैं, and we're going to spend 3 days in Spiti. So it's going to be fun. Yeah. There ends the Khirganga vlog. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.
वो चबाना बहुत पड़ रहा है रे. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी सुना दो अभी.